Look at the bed, guys. You'll never see the bed a mess because I don't believe in a messy bed.
I just got up. I've been up for like a minute.
The first thing I do when I wake up is make the bed. I make the bed. That's crazy. It's a military thing. I'm sorry.
I get dressed before I make the bed.
I do it naked.
Nobody's talking to you.
I can't help it. The military just treat, you learn. That's the way it's supposed to be. If Mama didn't teach you, Uncle Sam will. Somebody over there wasn't in the military, so they don't know that. What are you doing with the dog?
We're giving you dirty looks.
He is giving me funny looks. Why are you looking at me that way for, little dog? He is so serious looking.
He's gonna bite you.
He is not gonna bite me. When was the last time he bit me?
You never know.
He ain't never bit me. He don't bite me. I'm his superhero.
Okay, he might bite me.
He will bite you.
I'll let you and give you dirty looks.
Alright, that's what he's gonna do. Alright, my videos got a little bit out of order this week. I don't know how I managed to do that. Anyway, we're on our way to Dallas. Did you see her beat the hell out of me in that other video yesterday? She beat the living tar out of me. I don't know how my black eyes healed overnight, but they did. It's that magic, magic formula. I don't know what it is. I told y'all right before she did it. Well, I didn't tell you. She said she was going to punch me in the eye. And she did it. You're a bad girl.
You should listen. If I told you, then that means I'm honest, doesn't it?
Yeah. Then she kicked me when I was down. She's one of them people. Kicks you when you're down. I'm going to remember that.
It makes it crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'll be a balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Where'd you go, city chicken? City chicken. There is the elusive city chicken in Las Vegas. Everybody should eat this city chicken. They are so good. Homeless people just would not believe how good they are. Way better than rats. I love city chicken. Look, it's taco time. We came all the way to Vegas for taco time. Yay! So look, I brought her to taco time. You can see the joy on her face, right?
Well, he want to kill you. He's recording right now, so I don't kill him. That's what he's doing.
Protection.
That's what it is.
I think I'm gonna get the stuffed tater tots. Mexican tater tots? What are they called?
Mexi fries.
Mexi
We
fries.
were told by the gentleman next to us they're tater tots.
We're gonna try them.
Hey, Grace.
Don't look at her.
Hi guys. So did y'all watch the video the other day? Grace here got blamed for eating my Snickers bar, right? So finally Daddy confessed that he ate the Snickers bar. Do you have anything else to confess to?
No?
Are you sure you don't have anything else to confess to?
Like what? Never confess until you have to.
Oh, so you're afraid that you'll confess to something I don't know?
Maybe I do so much things wrong that I just never know what I do wrong. What I do now?
Nothing to confess, right? Nothing. I'll tell you.
Let me think about it.
Oh, do we need a long dramatic pause?
No, we don't got time for all that kind of stuff. I can't think.
I was sweeping the floor.
Yeah.
Because, you gotta sweep the floor. And guess what I found?
Kit Kats.
Kit Kats! Where did Kit Kats come from?
Fine.
Huh? Daddy was eating Kit Kats without us, wasn't he?
I bought you a Kit Kat.
look what I found, guys. Can you see it? Chocolate milk. Someone is having Kit Kat and chocolate milk without us.
No, there's an explanation for that.
What's the explanation? It blew in the window as you were going down the
I
road?
didn't have any protein that day, and I had to get my 45 grams of protein. So I got this horrible, nasty chocolate milk that said protein milk. And it's...
They don't say protein milk. It says chocolate.
No, it was...
We know
it was protein.
the truth, Mr. Snickerbar Stealer.
You see, it was protein milk. It was terrible.
Kit Kats.
That's another story.
Tell him, little dog.
That was a
We don't
couple of days
appreciate him
ago.
eating without
I bought
us.
a Kit Kat for you and a Kit Kat for me, and you was asleep, so I ate mine. And then a little while later, I ate yours too. But that was understandable. It was gonna melt.
Oh. It was gonna melt, guys. So
Yeah.
that's you're gonna fall, buddy. So that's okay. Okay.
Come on.
Now we know what Mr. Healthy does over here while we're sleeping.
Chocolate's good for you.
Kit Kats.
Yeah.
Snickers bars.
Right.
I was worried about the dog for 3 days, thinking she was going to be sick because she done ate my Snicker bar and ain't supposed to have chocolate. Before he finally confessed.
Would you get off of here so we can go get a lizard suit?
He's eating stuff that's still got eyes in it.
Oh my gosh, the shrimp still got eyes too.
You have eyes too.
You're not eating me.
I know. This is Vegas, so we're trying all different kinds of food while the truck's getting worked on. This is dim sum. Alright. Why not? Right? Alright. I totally forgot to tell you that this is a chicken foot. We boil chicken feet down for the collagen in them, okay? Apparently the Asians just cook them and eat them. We're gonna try it. This is why we stayed in Vegas. I had some alignments to get done and such. So that's why we're still here.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news talking this and that. Give me all you got and don't hold me back. Well, I should probably warn you I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't run me. Bring me down, the love is too hard. Bring me down, can't run me. Bring me down, I said. Bring me down, can't run me. Bring me down, the love is too hard. Bring me down, can't run me. Bring me down, I said. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, love me. Bring me down, bring me down, love me. Bring me down, I said. Bring me down, love me. Bring me down, bring me down, love me. Bring me down, I said. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room